Enriching Your Vocabulary, Exploring Classes and Workshops. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're going to dive into an essential part of our everyday activities, learning and personal development, particularly focusing on taking classes and workshops. We'll cover some basic English vocabulary and expressions related to this topic. So, let's get started. When we think about classes and workshops, several words may come to mind. These could be enroll, attend, participate, learn, instructor, classmates, and many more. Let's use these words in some sentences. 1. I decided to enroll in a cooking class to improve my culinary skills. 2. She attends a weekly photography workshop in the community center. 3. It's important to participate actively in class discussions to get the most out of them. 4. I learned how to knit in a craft workshop. 5. Our instructor is very knowledgeable and friendly. 6. My classmates and I often study together after the workshop. Now that we have some basic vocabulary, let's look at how you can describe your experiences in classes and workshops. 1. I found the class very enlightening and I learned a lot. 2. The workshop was hands-on, and we got to practice a lot. 3. Our instructor gave us constructive feedback, which helped me improve. 4. I struggled at first, but I gradually got better with practice. 5. I enjoyed the collaborative atmosphere in the workshop. Finally, let's talk about how you can express your opinions about the classes and workshops you attend. 1. In my opinion, the class is very informative and well-structured. 2. I think the workshop could be more interactive. 3. I believe our instructor is very skilled and knowledgeable. 4. I feel that I have gained a lot from this class. And that wraps up our lesson on the language of classes and workshops. I hope these words and phrases will enrich your English vocabulary and make your language journey more exciting. Don't forget, learning English is not just about memorizing words, but also about using them in context. So, try to use these new expressions in your daily conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.